कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ने किसी एक स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर दिया
जी, इसमें है
हाउ कैन ही डू दैट? आपने चोरी करते उसको पकड़ा या उसके आंसर शीट में कुछ एडिशनल कागज देखा, कोई रीजन आपने ब्लैंक रखा
जी।
ये तो कोई नेशनल डिफेंस का मामला तो है नहीं कि आप अपने पास रखे रहेंगे वो इंफॉर्मेशन और किसी स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर देंगे। आप एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ कंट्रोलर होके ये कैसे किया आपने? टेक अ कॉल मिस्टर सतबीर भारती ऑन दिस स्टेटमेंट अलोन।
Lordship will come to
Just a minute. On this statement, on this paragraph of your petition only, now we take a call, either we say that the order is justified or we remit you to the single authority, the single judge. You are responsible, your authorities are responsible, you are the custodian of the answer sheet. Examination controller had changed the answer sheet. No.
Yes, that is what the
it only says that if you have expelled the student, you needed to introspect how. Mr. Arvind Kumar, go and show that report before the single judge whenever the situation so comes. We will say that this what is the word used? You are being unnecessarily captious. That till the report, this statement be not treated as castigation. You are showing his result as expelled. तो ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है ना। आपने उसको बताया कि आप एक्सपेल हो गए, अब आगे की परीक्षा आप नहीं लिखेंगे। वेयर इज दैट कम्युनिकेशन? व्हाट इज द रीजन? कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन ने किसी एक स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर दिया
जी, इसमें है
हाउ कैन ही डू दैट?
मे आई प्लेस दैट?
नहीं, आप हमें फ्लैग करके दीजिए, रेड फ्लैग करिए। तो बड़ा वेग सा है। द कोर्ट वाज जस्टिफाइड। उपर्युक्त विषय के संबंध में दिस इज मोहम्मद इरफान को आपने भेजा है
जी,
दिस एग्जामिनेशन कंट्रोलर। उपर्युक्त विषय के संबंध में कहना है कि वार्षिक माध्यमिक परीक्षा स्वयं में आपके गणित विषय की उत्तर पुस्तिका में अनियमितता परिलक्षित होने के कारण। कौन सी अनियमितता? मूल्यांकन कर शिवनंदन प्रसाद मंडल उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय से मूल्यांकन किए बिना विद्यालय परीक्षा समिति पटना को भेजी गई थी। तो आपने कोई मूल्यांकन नहीं किया, आपने चोरी करते उसको पकड़ा या उसके आंसर शीट में कुछ एडिशनल कागज देखा, कोई रीजन आपने ब्लैंक रखा। ये तो कोई नेशनल डिफेंस का मामला तो है नहीं कि आप अपने पास रखे रहेंगे वो इंफॉर्मेशन और किसी स्टूडेंट को एक्सपेल कर देंगे। उसके बाद उन्होंने आपने लिखा है कि समिति के कदाचार जांच समिति से इसको जांच कराने पर उत्तर पुस्तिका में गंभीर अनियमितता किस बात की हो सकती है? उत्तर पुस्तिका में इनहेरेंट डिफेक्ट था या उसने एक ही क्वेश्चन, आई मीन द स्टूडेंट वुड बी इन कंप्लीट डार्क। और इस आलोक में कदाचार जांच समिति ने संपूर्ण परीक्षा के परीक्षार्थी को कदाचार का दोषी प्रतिवेदित किया है। ये किस, आप एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ कंट्रोलर होके ये कैसे किया आपने?
Lordship will peruse paragraph 4 onwards of my memo of appeal. I have given the entire details. We have filed a counter and supplementary counter. What had actually
transpired. Let us see your memo of appeal.
Lordship. The clear-cut stand of the appellant board before the learned single judge in the counter. The writ petitioner appeared in the examination as regular candidate from so-and-so school. The answer book of the writ petitioner pertaining was sent for evaluation at the evaluation center, namely so-and-so. It was during the course of evaluation of answer book at the evaluation center that tampering in the answer book of mathematics.
No, this is a vague statement.
Let Lordship may peruse. The concerned evaluation center had reported tampering in the answer book of mathematics subject of writ petitioner, stating that except the cover page, which is the marks answer sheet and first page of the answer sheet and the last two pages of the answer sheet, all the internal pages were found to have been changed with answer book pages of previous year's board examination.
Now take a call, Mr. Satbir Bharti.
Lordship.
On this statement alone.
Lordship will come to
just the next. Just a minute. On this statement, on this paragraph of your petition only. Now we take a call, either we say that the order is justified or we remit you to the single authority, the single judge. Take a call, because this is good enough reason for holding you responsible. If the pages of the examination sheet, answer sheet is missing and only the first page is there, you are responsible, your authorities are responsible, you are the custodian of the answer sheet. Now don't
Lordship, yeah, Lordship,
fudge the issue.
for my satisfaction, Lordship may just peruse.
Now why do we go beyond?
Because we have stated that the entire examination and the evaluation work is not handled by the board directly. It is being at the district level, special officers
Is
are being
anybody
appointed.
alleging? Is the single judge alluding to the fact that the examination controller had changed the answer sheet? No.
Yes, that is what the
No.
learned
It only
single-
says
Lordship.
that if you have expelled the student, you needed to introspect how the examination strong room where the questions are kept or the place where the evaluation is made, they are handling the matter properly and they are not changing the answer sheets.
Right.
Now we know of situation when the first page is intact and the rest of the pages it is exchanged from the pages of successful students. Now this was good enough ground for the single judge to have directed for an inquiry, and we will let. You want us to see the inquiry report, or you want us to send the matter back to the
Lordship,
single
may
judge?
peruse the inquiry report, whether we are, if at all we are involved or not.
In that case, the order has taken effect.
Lordship,
Why appeal?
no, but Lordship, the observations made by the learned single judge, that is damaging the board, Your Lordship.
So therefore,
Lordship,
therefore,
I'm just not here for restraining the learned single judge from directing
we don't find
inquiry.
we don't
I'm
find
not
from the
against,
order.
we are not against inquiry, Lordship. We are just against the observations made by the learned single judge.
Which observation has
If your
aggrieved
Lordship will see
you?
paragraph 2. Lordship says the learned single judge is saying that you proceed against the board. In fact, your Lordship will see the court is of the considered view that such manipulation is not possible without the active connivance of officials and employees of the Bihar School
So
Examination
therefore, this is
Board.
a presumption and therefore inquiry.
Lordship,
He is
therefore-
not giving his imprimatur. He doesn't say that yes, you have.
Our grievance was, Your Lordship, when we had preferred this,
We'll say
our
that.
grievance is only to the extent that
Mr. Arvind Kumar, go and show that report before the single judge whenever the situation so comes. We'll say that what is the word used? You are being unnecessarily captious.
no, Lordship,
You are being unnecessarily captious. You are finding fault with the phraseology of the court. The court has only said that this gives me good ground to order for an inquiry, and you are taking it as if it is a blot on your scutcheon.
Lordship,
Sorry, we don't interfere.
Lordship, the second part of the order could have been justified that the court might have directed for an inquiry. But saying that the board
We'll
is involved-
clarify
Lordship.
that till the report, this statement be not treated as castigation
Lordship, that would be.
in any kind of the board, and we finish it off. Let it go before the single judge with your report.
Lordship.
Look here. The interim order passed by the learned single judge on 29/6/2021, passed in CWJC number 803 of 2021, has been put to challenge on the sole ground that the court presupposes the complicity of the Bihar School Examination Board and the controller of examinations in tampering of the answer sheet of one of the candidates who had approached this court in the writ petition challenging his expulsion from the examination proceedings. Stop. It appears from the writ petition and the counter and the affidavit and the memo of appeal that when the answer sheet of the writ petitioner was sent to a school for evaluation, it was found that but for the covering sheet, other pages were found to have been exchanged from the copy of another candidate, giving an impression.
Copy of the previous year examination.
Copy of the previous year examination. A copy of the candidate who had appeared in a previous year examination, giving an impression that the answer sheet was tampered. Full stop. No categorical statement was made as to when such tampering could have been done. Full stop. Was it at the time of handing over of the answer sheet by the student at the end of the examination, or when such examination paper was handed over and kept in the custody of one of the authorities of the board,
It was never in the authority of the board, it was with the district
in the
administrator.
authority of the board, which ultimately was sent to another school for examination. It is also not clear as to whether the board or its agencies, or for that matter the examination controller, can be saddled with the responsibility of not keeping the records / answer sheets of the students properly. First off, be that as it may, on finding that the mathematics paper of the writ petitioner was found to have been tampered, the learned single judge was of the view that such tampering could not have been done only at the instance of the writ petitioner / a student, but the other authorities as well. First off, under the aforesaid circumstances, the single judge directed for an inquiry into the matter and issued a direction to the Additional Director General of Police, Cabinet Vigilance, to register a case about the corrupt practices and manipulation of answer scripts in the examination of the board for preliminary inquiry against everybody, against every stakeholder, and a copy of the report was directed to be communicated and every stakeholder. First off, the preliminary inquiry was required to be completed and a report to be submitted to the court. First off, before the inquiry could be concluded and a report submitted to the learned single judge, the board has approached this court for expunction of certain remarks made in the order dated 29/6/2021. First off, the second paragraph of the order, which offends the appellant, is being extracted herein below. Second paragraph, first off, we are of the considered view that, considering the circumstances of the case, the court found that an inquiry was necessary to fix the responsibility on the wrongdoer. First off, by no logic, any part of paragraph 2 of the order would be seen as a castigation of the conduct of the board or of the controller of examinations. Be that as it may, the report which has been prepared has yet not seen the light of the day, and the writ petition is pending adjudication before the learned single judge. First off, we therefore are of the considered view that no interference is required so far as the directions of this court, directions of the learned single judge is concerned. But simultaneously we do clarify that the observation made in para 2 of the order dated 29/6/2021 would not be taken as a statement against the board even before any decision has been taken about the responsibility in tampering of the answer sheet. With the aforesaid observation, the appeal stands disposed of with the direction that the matter be placed with the direction that the order be placed before the learned single judge, before whom the case is listed. First up, Mr. Arvind Kumar, learned advocate for the Vigilance Department, is present in the court with a copy of the report under sealed cover. He is requested to offer such a report. He is requested to file such a report before the learned single judge, who has to finally decide the issue. The LPA stands disposed of.
Obliged.
Still
Return the copy of the writ petition to him.